Garlic, with its pungent aroma and versatile flavor, is a staple in kitchens around the world. Not only does it enhance the taste of your dishes, but it also offers numerous health benefits. While it's easy to find garlic at your local grocery store, there's something truly rewarding about growing your own. In this comprehensive guide, we will take you through the step-by-step process of growing garlic at home, allowing you to enjoy a bountiful harvest and savor the satisfaction of homegrown produce. Selecting the right garlic variety. The first step to a successful garlic harvest is choosing the right variety. There are two main types of garlic: hardneck and softneck. Hardneck varieties, such as Rocambole and Purple Stripe, are known for their rich, complex flavors and are well suited to colder climates. Softneck garlic, on the other hand, includes Silverskin and Artichoke types, which tend to have a milder taste and are better for warmer regions. Timing is crucial. Garlic is typically planted in the fall, a few weeks before the first frost date. This allows the bulbs to establish roots before winter sets in. In milder climates, planting in late winter is also an option. The key is to ensure the garlic has a period of cold dormancy to develop properly. Prepare the soil. Garlic thrives in well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter. To prepare the soil, follow these steps. Clear the area of any weeds or debris. Work compost or well-rotted manure into the soil to improve its texture and fertility. Ensure the soil's pH is between 6.0 and 7.0, slightly acidic to neutral. Planting garlic. Now that your soil is ready, it's time to plant your garlic. Follow these steps. Break apart the garlic bulbs into individual cloves, leaving the papery skin intact. Plant each clove with the pointed end facing up, about 2 inches deep and 4-6 inches apart in rows. Space rows at least 12 inches apart to allow room for growth. Mulch and water. After planting, cover the garlic bed with a layer of mulch. This helps conserve moisture, regulate soil temperature, and keep weeds at bay. Water the garlic thoroughly after planting, and be sure to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Maintenance and care. Garlic is relatively low maintenance, but it still requires attention throughout its growing cycle. Fertilization. Feed your garlic with a balanced all-purpose fertilizer in early spring when the shoots emerge, and again in late spring. Weeding. Regularly check for and remove weeds, which can compete with garlic for nutrients and space. Scaping. Hardneck garlic varieties produce scapes, curly flower stalks. When these scapes appear, snip them off to encourage the plant to channel energy into bulb development. Watering. Maintain consistent moisture levels in the soil, especially during dry spells. Disease and pest control. Keep an eye out for common garlic pests like aphids and nematodes. Consider companion planting with garlic's natural allies, such as onions and marigolds, to deter pests. Harvesting garlic. The garlic plants will signal when it's time to harvest. Watch for the lower leaves to turn brown and start to wither. Gently dig the bulbs out of the ground using a garden fork, taking care not to damage them. Brush off excess soil but leave the roots and some soil on the bulbs. Allow the garlic to cure by hanging them in a well-ventilated, dry area for about 2 to 4 weeks. This process helps improve flavor and storage life. Storing your garlic. Proper garlic storage is essential to enjoy your harvest year-round. Keep cured garlic bulbs in a cool, dark, and well-ventilated area, like a pantry or basement. Store them in a hanging mesh bag, a garlic keeper, or a well-ventilated basket to maintain good airflow. Avoid storing garlic bulbs in the refrigerator, as it can induce sprouting. To ensure a steady supply of garlic year after year, save some of the largest and healthiest bulbs from your harvest for planting in the next growing season. Garlic is propagated by replanting cloves, and this method will help you maintain the characteristics of the variety you initially chose. Growing garlic at home is a rewarding experience for any gardening enthusiast or garlic lover. With the right variety, timing, and care, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of fresh, flavorful garlic that far surpasses what you can find in the grocery store. From planting the cloves to curing the bulbs, the journey of nurturing garlic is filled with satisfaction and the promise of many delicious meals to come. So, roll up your sleeves, dig into the soil, and start your own garlic garden to savor the sweet taste of success. Happy gardening! Hey, thanks for watching, guys. If you're getting value in this and the other series that I'm doing on YouTube, hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons if you'd be so kind, and I'll see you in the next video.